Meaning of guava.
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 Guava. Guava is a tropical fruit native to Central and South America, known for its sweet and tangy flavor. It is an excellent source of vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. The fruit can be eaten raw, cooked, or juiced and is often used in jams, jellies, and desserts. Beyond its culinary uses, guava leaves are used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, including diarrhea, coughs, and diabetes. With its unique taste and health benefits, guava is a beloved fruit worldwide and has become a staple in many tropical cuisines.